Honestly, I think that I am a great person. And there is a many reasons that I say. One thing I am truly amazing at is how I never give up. Even when I stress with my school assessment and my school homework and daily life, I don't give up. I push myself forward and I keep doing. And other is that I am a curious of many things. So I am a curious man. I am a curious, so I want to learn more, whether it is about history or engineering and unknown topics. And other, I am proud of myself because that because I deeply care about people around me, and in these reasons I think that I am a great person.